Check out here, see what we got in the fridge. It's a shared fridge, so not all of this is mine. Got some cauliflower, onion, some of my brewing some probiotics fruit smoothie drink. I got a little blended lemon, lime, celery, avocado, carrots, apples, squash, zucchini, some mushrooms. Let's see, Smucker's peanut butter. Occasionally some organic cheese. Baking soda, put the slightest grains of that in the water to make the brew. Organic chicken sausage. Some honey. And some organic pasture-raised eggs. GMO free, non-GMO, right? What else is in there? Let's see down here. Some Sonoma cider. I drink one of those later. Some hard cider apple.